Oh, hi guys. It's Whimsical Wednesday, and I am your girl, Norleen.
People, this is one of the meal you can't go wrong with. You're gonna love it. Your kids gonna love it. Your husband are gonna love it.
To start, I will begin by preparing my chicken breast and I will cut it in even sections and put them away. It's two large chicken breasts. The chicken breast has already been seasoned, so all I'm doing is sectioning it and put it away. Next, I'm going to prepare my flour mixture. So I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half cup of flour, table teaspoon of baking powder, and of course salt to taste. Next, I have 1 egg. I will separate the yolk because I'm only using the egg white. I will add that with a cup of water and then I will mix it thoroughly until all of the flour has become a smooth, consistent mixture. All right, guys, so these are all the ingredients I will use, and I'll put the information in the description box and link to all the products here. So next, I will put 2 cups of oil in the frying pan, and I've added garlic powder, seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and I will mix it, and then I'll submerge the pieces of chicken breast in the flour mixture and I will fry this on medium heat. I'll cover it, guys, for about 3 minutes. So in the next pot, I've added some blended season, some powder season, and cover it until it comes to a boil. All right, people, I take off the cover, I'm gonna see it, and this is what the first batch looks like. So I have a second batch in the pot, and I'm gonna fry that. So my pot is boiling, and this is what I will add to it. It's chow mein. While the chow mein cook, I will get on to the preparation of the sauce. So in my Dutch pot, I have green onions, garlic. I add to that chopped bell pepper and onion and some carrots. And I will stir fry this. To make the sauce, I will use 2 tablespoons of red vinegar, and I'm just using it generously. A tablespoon of tomato ketchup. I will add to that some browning sauce, and then I will stir, and then I will add a tablespoon of brown sugar, 3/4 cups of pineapple juice. The chow mein is finished. I've rinsed it with cold water and add some butter. To the stir fry vegetable, I will add the sauce, and to the sauce, I'm waiting for it to come to a boil. I'm gonna add my sweet and sour dip. I'm a secret ingredients that people with my pineapple chunks, and then I will add the chicken. Just allow it to simmer and let the sauce coat the chicken, and I'll garnish it with some sesame seeds. See the people, it done. I've served it. We're on the side of the chow mein, people. This look pretty, it look good, can done. I just love this. This is my midweek meal at its best. It is one of those feel good go to midweek meal. It is filling and it looks absolutely wonderful. It's another, guys, of my favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. I hope you'd enjoy this cooking journey in the kitchen with me. All right, people, so I'm a quick fix meal this, and people, I'm gonna go in with the taste. Yeah, I'm gonna make you know what the meal tastes like. Well, I'm hungry, bad at that. So, now mind the amount when I take up, people. I'm hungry bad. No, people, I don't know if you wanna hear the crunch in and the vegetables, the onion, and the bell pepper,
It just have the right amount of crunch. The sauce, people, it bad. For those person who want to buy the sauce from the store, it can use as is. But for me have to spice it up. A Jamaican me name. I have to spice it up. I have to put on a little flavor upon it. You see that? Pineapple with the chicken. People, this is not ordinary goodness. You see, if you want to feel good on a Wednesday, this is not only my quick fix Wednesday, but it's my quick fix feel good Wednesday. And I'm telling you something, I can't go wrong. I have to thank my friend Veronica introduced this noodle to me. It's chow mein. You notice, people, it's yellow, it's not white. I don't know if you can see the color. Yeah, it's actually yellow. So you get, yeah, see color there? It's actually yellow. So it has color to your meal. And if you eat with your eyes, yeah, this is a welcome, inviting meal, because it's a lot of color on the plate, and the flavor them just complement the color, and it's just a bunch of awesomeness. I encourage you guys, remember, like, subscribe to my channel, share this with your friend, people, tell them see a food we are prepare, tell them to come get them share over here. So a be a niceness, flavor 100. Trust me, I love this. I know I'm gonna love it too.